This is the Kawasaki, you know, Kawasaki H2R. And this is very loud fast bike, and my aim is also to get this one bike. What bike is this? I don't know, but very dark, you know. This super bike is also very fast, you know, really very fast. Attention, this video is not a home anyone. You read yourself. Thank you. This man here is trying to make fire by his exhaust system very loud. What bike is this? This is very good bike. I don't know, but why he is trying to push. I don't know. This super bike. This is the Ducati Ducati Pinnacle V4, very fast and very loud, rough exhaust. You know, this is very expensive bike, a very good one. This is also I think this is Kawasaki. No, I don't know this Hayabusa. What bike is this? Very fast. You know, this bike is your look very fast, extended engine. This bike is I don't know what motivation did to this bike bike. This is the exhaust system I can see and no CTC. This bike is the evening race. What the heck? Very sexy, very hot bike, you know. And I like this bike. It's very good to travel in, ride in evening. Next one here is I don't know, but I look like the BMW bike, very loud, very fast, you know. And this is also I don't know, his backside is video body is very big like a body, you know. This is Ducati 998 okay. This is very loud, but his body is very big, you know, and it's very hot, you know. Double exhaust system, what the double exhaust. This is the Kawasaki H2R right now, but this is also very loud. And this man is trying to give a throttle, you know. And this is also the black Kawasaki, very black and very fast, you know. And this is also I don't know what bike is this, but this is also super bike, very fast and very loud, you know. This bike, this my dream is also to get this one bike, you know, but no budget, no back to buy those bike, you know. I cannot afford one, very loud. This bike is also this Kawasaki. The majority is ruling the Kawasaki, you know, because Kawasaki is fire and very loud, you know, fast. What bike is this one? I don't know, but they're trying to ride at night, you know. The three couple are trying to ride. And this is I don't know, they're on fire on the night. And this is the tire is very big and he's trying to run, you know. This is the SZ bike drag, I don't know, very fast, very loud. What bike is this? And this is also the Ducati Wire majority is taking Ducati and Kawasaki, very expensive bike, super bike, you know. I cannot afford to buy underwear and these guys are buying the very expensive super bike. This I told you, very loud, very fast, what super bike is this? And then this guy is very trying to show his bike, you know. And this is also the super Leggera, you know. This is this what Pinnacle. This bike is also same Ducati, what V4, very loud and very fast, you know. This is I don't know, but very fast, you know. This is also Ducati, what the Ducati is going to win if they fight for, if they were supposed to fight. Ducati is going to be very loud and very fast, you know. Racer always choose for Ducati, you know. Ducati Pinnacle is very fast. What do you want to see? This one very black Ducati, you know, very loud. This is a customized Ducati Pinnacle, you know, 1904. I don't know, but this is Ducati Pinnacle, and this is very loud and exhaust system very expensive. You cannot buy this one. Support me, my channel. This is also Ducati. Everyone is buying Ducati V4, you know. This V4 is or V4, I don't know, with the C project on it. This is gonna be very loud. How do you like my video? Very good, very bad? Then subscribe if you want more with funny entertainment and interesting video. Thank you.